Hi, I'm Jo from DVE. Today we're going to be talking about business process improvement, and we've got a series of videos to start to teach you a little bit more about it and give you some tips so you can implement some BPI in your workplace. So what BPI is a practical approach to looking at the steps within a process that enables you to actually work out the root cause of the problems that you're experiencing very clearly and looking at those with a very practical approach to improving them. What we like to see is a series of small improvements that when they come together collectively, you end up having a much bigger impact on the process as a whole, and you see some really positive change through that. So my background is in mechanical engineering. I worked at Holden in the production plant. Now the plant I worked in, the car came into the plant as a painted shell, and at the end of it, it drove a brand new car. Now every 76 seconds we had a car come off that line. So you can imagine the types of improvements that we'd be getting in that process. If we could shave 1 or 2 seconds off of the line cycle, we could add a lot more value to the customer, and we could run more cars through the plant in any given day. Now, with most of your processes, you're not going to be looking at 1 and 2 seconds. But what you can look at is how can we make this more efficient? How can the feedback to our customer be more effective? How can we take something from taking, maybe several weeks, cutting it down to several days? So it's a slightly different way of looking at it, but it's exactly the same approach.